My name is Edgar Cortez. I live in Edinburg. I'm very into anything creative. I'm very grateful for the opportunity. I remember getting some notes from my uncle. He used to write to us, and he used to draw like a little Spider-Man or Superman for me and my brother. And ever since then, I think I've always wanted to be someone that draws like him. Not only being able to replicate images, but create my own. I'm painting Alebrijes, which are these fantastical creatures. The idea of it is kind of like moving along with the viewer as they're passing by. It will kind of seem like they're moving with you, alongside you. They're supposed to be kind of like guides and animals that kind of protect you. There's gonna be people on top of these animals, like riding like a horse or a giant rabbit. They do almost resemble my family in a way. So just doing the sketching and stuff like that, I just thought about my family. It also has to stand, and it has to be able to move, and it has all these other requirements. And I think it's gonna be the most challenging part. So roadmap right now is coming up with final sketches. I really enjoy the sketching and coming up with the designs for every Alebrije. The opportunity to do something like this is the most exciting art-related opportunity that I've gotten. I remember putting it in our family group chat. Hey, I got really good news. I'm gonna be able to make an installation for the museum. My mom was able to make it here today. Her being here and seeing that it's in an actual museum and in the gallery, I believe her scope of how big this project is has widened. This is one of the pieces that I've been working on. It is the smallest of the pieces. Because I've been working with new materials such as wood and learning how to cut that wood, I figured out that I should probably test it out first in terms of painting one complete one and then cutting it out completely and then seeing how that process went. All 5 of these are gonna be cut the same way and made the same way. There's a total of 5 Alebrijes. This one, because it's a rabbit and rabbits are lighter, so he is gonna be at the front of all of them. I've always wanted an opportunity like this. So this project is definitely the biggest project I've ever had to work on. It's super exciting, and I think what's gonna help me is breaking it down into those smaller pieces. So when they see my artwork, once it's completely done, it's a piece that it's supposed to spark happiness, joyful, colorful, and imagination, and just curiosity in general. All of them are going to be facing the left, and it kind of signifies going to a nice place or going together with our guardians, which are that's what Alebrijes are.